Hello! In this presentation of Nature Time, we will travel back in time to explore the characteristic features of the family Phorusrhacidae, also known as terror birds. This is a family whose members are all extinct today. More specifically, it is believed that the oldest species of this family first appeared about 43 million years ago, while the last member became extinct around 100,000 years ago. All genus of Phorusrhacidae family had a relatively large skull and a large, rough, ridged, hooked beak, a feature that also gave them their name. Indeed, the name of the family comes from a combination of the ancient Greek words, phoros, meaning to carry, and rhakos, which translates as wrinkles or ridges. They were large carnivorous birds, with the most of them not flying. They were found mainly in South America, where they were among the largest and top predators of that period. Their height ranged from 75 centimeters to 3 meters. Their weight reached up to 350 kilograms. Their closest modern relatives are believed to be the Serimas, which reached a height of about 80 centimeters. The birds of Phorusrhacidae family may have even reached Africa and Europe, if the genus Labocatavis from Algeria and Eleuthornis from France and Switzerland are included. Coelenchon guillermoi represents the largest bird skull ever discovered to date, with a length of 71 centimeters. The legs of those birds had 4 toes, the first of which was smaller and did not touch the ground. The remaining 3 toes made normal contact with the ground. During the Miocene and early Pliocene era, there was an increase in the population of the birds that belonged in the Phorusrhacidae family in South America. A fact which suggests that, during this time period, the various species thrived as predators in the savanna environment. With the formation of the Isthmus of Panama about 2,700,000 years ago, carnivorous mammals from North America, such as felines, were able to migrate into South America, increasing competition. This competition gradually led to the extinction of terror birds. We hope that you found the information about the birds of the family Phorusrhacidae, better known as terror birds, interesting. So we invite you to learn in details about some of the terror birds presented by our channel, Nature Time. If you liked our presentation, please click on subscribe and like.